Hello guys, let's go eat. It's my smoked fish. It's smoked fish and eggs and tomato, mushroom and rice. Let's go eat guys. I am so hungry. Kain tayo. Ayan yung itlog, tinapa, kamates, mushroom, of course yung kanin ko. Pasensya na kayo, nagsishik ang katawan ko. Yes, katawan at kamay. Thank you everyone for watching. Sa mga ng bagyo, ingat kayo.